So I figured I'd do an informative video for a change and show everyone how I store my ammunition long term. So this is 1,000 rounds of 9mm full metal jacket, 115 grain Remington range ammo. I'm going to store it all in a 30 cal ammo can. That's a few of the things I'm using to store it. Glove, because I'll be using some silicone grease, or this is the closest thing I could find. This is kind of subjective because I was looking for the Permatex just silicone grease, but this is all I could find, so hope that's gonna have to work. Silica packets, and then a huge Ziploc bag, I guess like the freezer size. And also you want to write down the lot number of your ammunition so you can keep track of it in case you have any catastrophic malfunctions or a batch of bad ammo. It's good to keep this. Luckily I bought 2 cases close enough together that have the same lot number, so I kind of lucked out on that, but you definitely want to keep track of that and maybe possibly bag it separate if you're doing different kinds of or different brands of ammo or different grains or whatnot. So this is pretty much everything you'll need, and I'll talk about how to lock your can at the end of the video. Once I get all that greased up, lid's done, and then I'll take a large freezer bag, a Ziploc bag, whatever, and line this thing. Actually, stick a silica packet in it first, then line it, just to keep any moisture that might get in the can out of the bag. And then take another and put it inside the bag. And now that's done, some people like to wipe the inside of the can with silicone. I guess that's optional. And when you're done, you can wipe the whole outside of the can with WD-40 just to prevent rust. But now it's time to unbox ammo. That's 500. So that's 1,000 rounds inside of a Harbor Freight 30 cal ammo box. Could probably fit 200 more, but I like the space on the top. That way I can get all the air out of the bag, Ziploc it, and roll it up. It's got a little room to breathe, and I don't have to dent any rounds. So that's 1,000 rounds. It's easy to keep track of. This is what it looks like. Just kind of press all the air out of it, seal the bag. close the lid. And then if you want to lock it on these Harbor Freight ammo cans, they don't have a lip underneath to stick a lock through. So if you just drill a hole, you can see I went twice, and I used a green paint pen to kind of cover the metal. But if you measure well, you only have to drill one, and then you can just lift this up, stick your lock through around that, and this thing will not open. And I'll show you that. When you're done, it should look something like this. The lock keeps this from going all the way down, so when someone tries to lift it, hits that. Just make sure you leave yourself enough room so someone couldn't push this over. Which, in this one, I think I did a little bit too low, but it's all good, because even if they can, it still can't open. It's not going any farther than that. So, that's how you lock your ammo can. As a final thing to note, I'm probably going to stencil the caliber, which is 9mm, and the lot number here on the side, and the brand, and any other information, so I know what's in here and I don't have to open it. If you found this video helpful and informative, please like and subscribe, and I'll try to make more of this content. Thanks.